Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Krystal Wallet. Without wasting any of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to download the Krystal Wallet application on your device and then launch it open. Once you open up the application, choose the Create a New Wallet button. Select your preferred method from where you would like to create a new wallet. You can choose the new seed phrase option, Apple ID, Google, or Twitter. Select any one method. In this video, I'm gonna choose the Google option. Tap on the continue button when taken to this new website. You will now need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials. Now, enter your email or phone number associated with your Google account or any other social accounts that you've selected. After you are done, tap on the next button and get ready to enter your password for Google account. Once you enter your password, tap on next and then tap on the continue button in order to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service of Google. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to get to this page. Here, you can set up a wallet name. Go ahead and enter a new wallet name if you wish and tap on Finish. Create a 6-digit passcode to protect and unlock your wallet by choosing from the keypad. Re-enter your passcode to confirm on the next page. And then once you are done setting up a passcode, you have now successfully signed up for Krystal cryptocurrency wallet. Your wallet has now been created. You can now go ahead and back up your seed phrases. Tap on the settings icon at the top right and tap on manage wallet. And there you have successfully created a new wallet for Krystal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.